Hello, welcome. In this video, we'll see Boya BY-M1 sound recording microphone. How we can record our sound for video, camera, DSLR, etc. Let's see. This is Boya B1 BY-M1 microphone box you see on the video. This is a microphone, a micro creative microphone. It's a super sound for professionalism and video recording. You see that you can record sound from mobile phone, tab, computer, camera and DSLR. For a smartphone, camera record, DSLR, audio recording, PC, etc. You can record sound from this product, Boya BY-M1. You see the box, another side. And what is the box in the feature? We see. At first you see feature, what is in the box, and then it's a electric transducer microphone, omni transducer, frequency rating 65 Hz to 80, 74 decimal থেকে, and output impedance 100,000, condenser 3.5 mm jack. Its certification ROS CE and etc certification. Its weight 2.5 gram microphone and power module 18 gram. Let's see what in the box. Just unboxing. I'm very excited to unbox the device. What is in the box? Let's see. It's a very smart device. You see, it's very professional for professional users, for YouTubers. And this is a one packet. It's a clip and a connector and another. Wow, it's a huge item in the box, mini box. It's a user manual. You see, user manual, and it's a warranty card. If your supplier gives you warranty, then warranty, international warranty, and stickers. And this is the box. Wow, heavy box. Is a Rexin box, but embossed logo. It means it's original. When you get this box, it means original. And this is the mic part, and this is the condenser part, and cables, and this is connector, 3.5 mm connector for phone, mobile, laptop, see. And next another connector for amplifier, audio amplifier. If you use this for audio amplifying, then it's a battery. It's a battery including this box, you see. And this is the audio mic, it's the amplifier jack. And this is the clip. When you use a short tie and etc, you use this box. And this is the sponge for put is on the top of the mic. I'll see here how to install this. This is the total accessories in the box. You see, everything is in this box. When you remove the screw type thread, you put the battery in the box. If you don't use the battery, it's not work. Yes, it's a condenser type microphone, so you need to use the battery. Viewers, if you want to buy this, I am put the description link in the description box. You just click and buy from Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress and more site. It is very reasonable price for you, who is the YouTuber, beginner YouTuber. They want to low budget product but professional, low budget but professional. You can buy this. I am recommended you. I already using this product in the audio recording of the video. Try and use that cup in the using this for your shirt or collar. Viewers, I'm again say, if you want to buy that, if you are a new YouTuber, if you want to invest some amount, not a huge, then you can buy this product. Just go in my description box, tap, click and buy. See how to use this. And this is a power switch, so when you input the battery, then you use this for power on off. When you on the power, it will be see the blue right in that red, but when it says see the blue, it means it's on, and this means it's off. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you want to buy, just click my description box. I have put already link in my description box. Buy, and if you want, thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about this video, just ask question and comment us, like and share, and obviously subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.